Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back with your daily crypto news and analysis. And today we are going to be talking about Ripple and XRP, as well as the vast majority of crypto and finance. And with that being said, let's just dive on in, and let's first start off with the fact that DCENT Wallets is holding a major event right now until November 16th. If you purchase a DCENT wallet, I'm going to drop a link down in the description below, as well as in the comments below. If you guys go and get a DCENT wallet right now, you can actually fill out a form on their website. It's at the top, where they are giving away 200 Algorand right now. And as you guys are all aware, if Algorand does make it back to $1 plus, the all-time high was nearly $3. That means that your 200 Algorand could very well be worth $200 to $400, which would cover the DCENT wallet fully and essentially give you a free cold storage wallet. So if you guys do want to take advantage of this massive offer from DCENT Wallet, you guys are more than welcome to, with the links down in the description below, as well as in the comments below. It's going to be at the top, just to make sure that you guys don't miss it. So if you guys do want to go get this, it's a limited time only. I highly suggest everybody go out and get a DCENT wallet right now, especially as we prepare for the next major run up in the market. So with that being said, let's dive on in and let's start off with the overall price chart on XRP, because XRP has been having an incredible month, up about roughly 30%. Sitting at about roughly 68 cents. Now, yes, it is still not yet back to the highs that it was at back in July, but we are pretty damn close. And right now, as we do gear up for those big moves beyond those prices, I want you all to understand that XRP has had a nice run up in the market, going all the way back to the summer of 2022, which I've been mentioning because we have been in an uptrend ever since we bottomed out back then. And we have been creating, this sort of higher low, higher high scenario. So we are waiting for the higher high to be put in here. It's going to be above 92 cents because coin market cap is a little bit more inaccurate. It doesn't really give us a full extent of it. But listen, as we look at XRP, trading volume up about 130%, sitting at about roughly almost $2.2 billion. The entire market has been moving pretty damn quick. A lot of altcoins have been waking up in big ways, especially on the 24-hour span. XRP is actually in the top 10 for the top 24-hour movers. 7-day span, a lot of these altcoins are up double-digit figures, which I personally love to see. It is very, very exciting to watch this market kind of begin its major awakening. And remember, the major awakening is retail coming back and FOMOing in with, of course, mainstream media telling you, hey, you need to buy crypto right now and get into crypto before it is too late. But this is one thing that I've been very, very talkative about in the Discord as well. I shared this earlier today before XRP actually broke above 65 cents. The crucial thing to note about 65 cents is this is a key level of interest. This level to about roughly 75 cents, because 75 cents is a significant resistance zone. Between this range was a crucial area to get back into, because this is support going all the way back to November of 2021, as well as going all the way back to around roughly March, April of 2021. We wicked down to this 65 cent level. So us actually flipping this into support would be crucial. And that way we could actually build to 92 cents, which is macro resistance. This is a key level for us to break out of, and then we could target that $1.97.5 zone. But I also did outline that the XRP chart from the summer of 2022 to now has been extremely bullish. It's been in a macro uptrend, creating higher lows and higher highs. The key level to watch for is XRP breaking 92 cents, which is macro resistance. So this is what I'm looking at right now. I know that there's going to be a lot of you saying the chart doesn't matter, the chart doesn't matter. Yes, technically, listen, if we're talking long term here, yeah, the chart doesn't matter at all. But short term, of course, everyone likes to have a little bit of an insight on what we need to see on XRP in order for it to actually start to actually have that big break to the upside of roughly $2 and possibly even making a new all-time high, which again, XRP does have a lot more substance this time around if we do break to those major levels to the upside, which again, I'm really just looking at the 2021 high being hit right now, and then we can really kind of talk about all-time highs. But XRP has been, doing an incredible move in the market. It has been very, very exciting to watch XRP this entire year as well, because major updates and major events, key events, have really been surrounding XRP, from the lawsuit, from the adoption aspect, from standardization, things like that. It's been such an incredible time in the market for XRP holders. And I know that there's going to be the comments saying, oh, XRP is still sitting at 68 cents. It's not going to even break $1. I honestly cannot wait until we are trading well over $1 plus. That way all the haters will be silenced, just like in the last couple runs. XRP usually always silences the haters, and when we are trading at a new all-time high, which I do believe that we will go to, I think that that's when everything around this space will change and everyone will really kind of be silenced. But nonetheless, outside of that, there has been a major marketing event happening with Ripple, for an example. Crypto means business. It is literally everywhere. We've seen this in UK. We've seen this around quite some time, actually. This has been a big campaign that they've been pushing, and it has been continuous. Now, a lot of people were calling this fake. Shout out to francisqo.xrp over on Twitter. A lot of people were calling this image fake. Like, we see a lot of people saying, like, nice paint work. We do see not a paint work, wake up. And here is another screenshot. I actually have this screenshot here. Also, another individual from the community posted this one as well. And it's all centered out on the same exact thing, which is, of course, crypto is here to stay. Crypto means business. And here's also one as well. I think that this one is in the UAE. We do see crypto means business with, of course, Ripple. Outside of this, right, we know that crypto is here to stay, and it is going to reshape the entire world of finance. But I also think that's going to transform every aspect of life. But over on Ripple, we do see the time for progress is now. Crypto means business. See how our blockchain solutions for finance can transform the way you make payments, manage value, and unlock innovation in your business today. Now, of course, you guys probably know this video. They showed a few areas within this video. There was New York. There's a few other areas outside of the US as well. I think the UK, Singapore, and a few other ones. It's really taken over globally. Like, crypto is here to stay. This entire year, one of the biggest things that I've been focused out on is what's been in the spotlight. Tokenization has been in the spotlight, where there's hundreds of trillions of dollars out there that's going to be touched by tokenization. And it's going to reshape entire asset classes like real estate, for an example. But also outside of tokenization, we've been addressing the need for cross-border payments to be revolutionized. And this has been something that we've been addressing for well over a couple years now. And even going back before I started making videos on this channel, I was looking into XRP around cross-border payments. And I was like, yeah, I mean, this just makes sense because it is a market that is ripe for disruption. So this year has been nothing but spotlighted attention on institutional adoption, tokenization, and utility. Utility is a big thing, but we do see tap into the possibilities of blockchain solutions for your business today. And here's where you can actually see where they are focused out on. So modernize and streamline payments, improve treasury management, make assets more agile, build customer engagement, offer new financial services. And this is all part of the Crypto Means Business advertisement campaign. And here we have cross-border payments, crypto liquidity, CBDCs. What's next in crypto and business? Well, I'll let Brad Garlinghouse actually take this on with how crypto is removing frictions for institutions.
Crypto is helping transform finance businesses today in a few different ways. And I think one of the challenges for the industry has been to focus on solving real problems for real customers. And Ripple, obviously, from its earliest days, focused on the problem around cross-border payments. That's a point of a lot of friction as measured by speed and cost. And by focusing there, we've been able to have a big impact on that, relatively small piece. But I think over the next years, you're going to see many financial transactions where a middleman sits, a middle transaction, an intermediary. Those will get removed, and we'll use blockchain and other digital asset type technologies to remove that friction. And I think all of society will benefit from improving the efficiency of those systems. I think you'll see that. Certainly you've seen it in securities settlement as an opportunity. The financial transactions around bonds, around derivatives, a lot of these things take a while to settle, and the friction associated actually holds back the industry. Insurance is an industry I think you're going to see touched. Trade finance is an industry that really Ripple, some of our customers have invited us to participate in. And you've seen experimentation around identity in real estate and title management. And these are all examples where I think it's so hard to predict where this will go, in the same way that 25 years ago, when I first got involved in the Internet of Information, I never could have predicted on my smartphone I'd press a button and I'd have a car picking me up minutes later. I think this will permeate lots of different parts of our society.
So there you guys have it. And of course, on the left there, you have Ashish Birla as well with tokenization will transform businesses. This is truly, we were talking about it in the Discord, and I still believe in it today. Like, this is one of the largest transformations in the entire history of humanity, because this will reshape entire asset class. This is going to reshape the entire way that we, go about everyday business, because at the end of the day, everything that we are working with today is antiquated technically, because we are still running on paper-based processes. I've talked about many industries that are ripe for disruption. He says insurance, right on par with insurance. You also have healthcare, for an example. The healthcare market is so damn inefficient. I mean, you should not have to wait hours and hours and hours for things to be sent over from your doctor, for an example. You should be able to access that immediately. And that's where blockchain and AI also come into place as well, with automation, secure automation. Like, these things are changing the way the world is working, and it's going to reshape everything. And it's not going to happen immediately, which is also another big thing on why I talk about short term and even long term. You can't be going into this space with just a short term mindset. I think that there's $1 trillion projects in the space, and you really just need to do your research, connect the dots, and understand how big of a game changer this is. And we also seen this little breakdown from Ripple as well. Think crypto is none of your business. Think again. The world has changed, but finance hasn't changed with it. It's not fast enough, not efficient enough, not innovative enough. And you could say this about every industry. It's not just finance. If you've had enough of not enough, then you're ready for a new approach. You're ready for money that moves across borders in seconds, not days. You're ready for markets that never close. You're ready for central banks with advanced digital currencies. You're ready for a transformative era in finance. You're ready for crypto. And this is what crypto means business is all about from Ripple. And this is also where, I strongly believe XRP is a crucial piece of the puzzle. As the world continues to evolve, as things continue to change, one thing that I've said about finance is, we have instant payments, right? We have payments that could happen in seconds. I could send a payment right now on PayPal. I could send a payment right now on Cash App, Venmo. And this is the biggest misconception, is everyone thinks that is instant. The problem is that the UI looks great. You have the payment confirmed in seconds. But what actually doesn't happen is settlement, right? Like, we have instant payments, but we don't have instant settlement. Where the hell is instant settlement going to come from? It's going to happen with blockchain, DLT. And, I've always said it. I'll say it again in this video. We have instant payments, but the second that we actually achieve instant settlement, we are now in the future, right? And that's what I'm looking forward to. That's what I'm waiting for. And that's why, as we look at this space and we look at a few of these assets like XRP, right? One of the biggest things about XRP is everyone is always looking at the $10 price prediction on XRP, which would be about $536.2 billion market cap. Now, again, short term, we're talking, $10. I personally think in the short term, we're looking at more of a realistic price prediction of about roughly $5 to $10, which I know to some people that might be, a little bit low. I'm trying to be conservative here. Realistically speaking, long term, as we start to see institutional grade adoption actually happen and utility actually matter, because again, we're still in a very speculative market. Utility doesn't really matter too much. We already know that XRP is becoming a crucial piece of the real world, especially with major institutions, major banks, fintechs, etc. I do think that in the future, where finance is really changed and almost every single major industry is disrupted by blockchain, AI, you name it, I think that that's where a lot of these assets like XRP become extremely valuable. If we're talking about dollar figures today, I think in the future we'll probably be talking about double-digit figures and possibly even 3-digit figures, because I don't see how an asset like XRP, I'm always saying if XRP could achieve its full potential, because it's still questionable. If XRP achieves its full potential and we actually see the plan of action behind XRP realized in, I don't see how XRP is not trading at $100 plus. But again, that's long term, and it's questionable if we get there, which is also why I say, we need to make sure that we are prepared. We have an exit plan. We are taking profits. We have a moon bag, right? I said it over on Twitter. You need to have 2 separate bags with a lot of these assets like XRP. You have the moon bag, where you could hold on to it forever, and if it hits $100, then you made incredible wealth. But you also have to have that bag that you're comfortable taking profits at the all-time high, $4, $5, $6, $7, $8, etc. So that's what I'm looking forward to, right? I'm looking forward to the major profit taking point in this market so that I can reinvest it into XRP, for example, if we see significant lows yet again, which I do believe that we will in a bear market. But I also have a moon bag that I'm prepared for, $100 that I will just never sell. It's going to be locked away in cold storage. It's going to be, held on to until the true vision is actually realized in. So with that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely leave a like, subscribe, to notifications on because more free content. You guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord in the description below. And with that being said, guys, it's been Nick. Peace out.